So Luma AI just released Uni-1, and it is completely insane. Unlike every other AI image generator out there, this model actually thinks and reasons through your prompt before it even starts creating the image, and the results are unreal. It is beating Google's Nano Banana and OpenAI's GPT image on reasoning benchmarks. Creators are already using it to generate flawless character sheets, cinematic scenes, and product ads, and the craziest part is, it costs less than 10 cents per image. So today, I am going to show you the best images people are already creating with Uni-1 and explain why this model might be the biggest threat to Google's dominance in AI image generation right now. Alright, so first, we are going to dive into a few incredible examples of images people have successfully generated using this AI model. After that, I will show you exactly where to access this tool for free and how to extract the best possible results. To kick things off, let's examine these mind-blowing examples created by Maria Budarina. In this showcase, she provided the AI with a rough sketch of a website design. Crucially, she explicitly mentioned all the key elements required, like the dark walls of a sci-fi ship and the specific placement of the window. Literally, all the foundational information the AI needed was right there in the prompt. Impressively, from that simple sketch, the Uni-1 model produced a highly sophisticated, visually stunning masterpiece. This final render simply looks fantastic. Moving forward, she reprompted the system to integrate some cool typographical text directly into the scene. Looking at this first design version, the aesthetic is already outstanding, giving off a highly premium feel. Design version 2 takes a slightly bolder approach, adding more dense text down at the bottom. What truly stands out here is the model's flawless execution of spelling. The lettering is not getting distorted or scrambled even one single bit. Next, we have a fascinating comparison between Uni-1 and the GPT image 1.5 model. On the right, you see the composition generated by Luma Labs' Uni-1. This polished output is perfect for an ad campaign or a viral post. Meanwhile, the GPT 1.5 image is decent, but suffers from that recognizable AI slop aesthetic. The overall concept is fine, but the details feel overly smoothed out and slightly blurred. In stark contrast, the Uni-1 generation features crisp details and phenomenal realistic lighting. Here is another brilliant demonstration of what this model can achieve. The user instructed the AI to generate a full manga character reference sheet. The prompt demanded front, side, and back views, dynamic poses, sharp expressions, absolutely no anatomy breaks, and zero redraw glitches. Looking at these two resulting image sets, the output is breathtaking. The character stays perfectly consistent across every angle, and the embedded text remains flawless. The system successfully incorporated all requested emotions, neutral, angry, smirking, and surprised, exactly as dictated. Overall, this demonstrates a remarkable ability to seamlessly execute highly complex instructions. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to start using this revolutionary image generator yourself. To get started, simply open a search tab and look up Uni-1. Click on the official link from Luma Labs AI. Once you click through, you will be greeted by their beautifully designed landing page. Here, they have laid out helpful documentation explaining how the underlying architecture works. You will quickly notice a button where you can try the Uni-1 model for free. By clicking right there, you instantly unlock access to test the software. Scrolling down, they showcase community creations to spark your imagination. Let's click on the character creator option to see exactly what kind of digital avatars we can bring to life. This opens up an intuitive canvas-style interface for editing, complete with two preloaded examples to help users understand the baseline generation process. Let's put it to the test by asking the system to design a brand new asset from scratch. My prompt is, create a new 3D character and add a white background to the character. While this is a basic instruction, it serves as an excellent benchmark. Immediately after submitting the prompt, the interface cleverly asks which specific reference style it should base our 3D model on. I'm just going to select the picture of this particular man and say this one. Let's see what kind of magic the software delivers. All right, the generation process is complete. The AI provided us with a wide variety of 3D variations. Having multiple high-quality options right out of the gate is incredibly useful, and the iteration speed is genuinely blistering. I can simply browse through these variations, select the avatar that best fits my vision, and instantly move forward. From there, I could easily tweak his shirt color or place a new object in his hands. This streamlined production workflow is going to be a game changer for independent AI filmmakers and content creators. I personally like this image the most. To prove how easy it is to edit, let's say I want our guy holding a baseball bat. I click directly on the generated image, and it automatically drops into my active prompt box. Then I simply ask, hey, I want you to edit this picture here so that the character has a baseball bat in his hand. Let's hit enter and see how well it handles this. And here is the updated result. Impressively, the algorithm maintained complete character consistency, effortlessly placing a baseball bat into his grip while perfectly matching the original 3D art style. It didn't just paste a 2D image, it fully rendered the specific bat in 3D. But the workflow doesn't stop there. I can instantly turn this static frame into an animated clip. By clicking the Generate Video tab, the platform bridges the gap between image and motion. We have access to leading video models here like Veo 3, Veo 3.1, Sora, and Ray 3. For this test, I will select Veo 3. I will keep the prompt super simple by just asking for a slow motion animation of the character without overcomplicating the details. All right, the video render is finished. Let me expand the window so you get a better look. This honestly looks fantastic. We could potentially use another model to generate slightly smoother motion, but our main focus today was testing the image generation capabilities rather than deep diving into video mechanics. What we have seen today is a remarkably streamlined workflow that effortlessly transitions from text to image generation and straight into video animation. Rumor has it they will roll out native audio and advanced video tools within the same ecosystem very soon, which will be disruptive for the AI filmmaking industry. Overall, this platform is deeply impressive. It comprehensively understands nuanced prompts and proactively asks clarifying questions to guarantee the highest quality output. Without a doubt, this represents a massive leap forward for AI media creation. That wraps it up for today's video. See you in the next one.